Hello everyone. Wow, do we have a doozy today? Okay, so the market was down huge today. I'm talking huge. Like, wow, there was losses. It was an absolute bloodbath. Like, it was, damn, it was crazy. Okay, what happened in the market? I'm telling you, man, there's a conspiracy theory in the market. It's the 3 T's. If you don't know what the 3 T's are, I'll tell you. But first, check this out. You draw a T like this, and then you put 2 T's down here, and then you go like this. Holy crap! Did you see that, guys? It's confirmed. Illuminati confirmed. You heard it here first. The Illuminati is real. Shh, the feds might be watching. They might be monitoring this right now. Keep it on the DL. Down low. Okay. Illuminati confirmed. What are the 3 T's affecting the stock market? What are they? Okay. Well, the first one's pretty obvious. It's trade. That one's probably the #1 thing affecting the stock market right now is trade. That's the #1 factor. The other 2 factors are Trump. Well, you know he's been affecting the stock market since basically 2016. So, yeah, even really before he got elected, because there was, a whole bunch of turmoil. Oh my God, Trump might be elected. So, yeah, and he continues to affect it because trade wars are a thing, and Trump. And if you don't know, everyone bashes Trump, but somehow he won, so I don't get it. I'm Canadian, so I obviously didn't vote for anybody. I mean, I have another T, his name's Trudeau, right? Not much better, believe me. Anyways, so we got trade, we got Trump, and the last one, kind of a relatively newer development we have, Turkey. So these are the 3 T's affecting the stock market the most right now. At least from my point of view, that's what it is. And really, please tell me what else. On a day-to-day basis, yes, it's stocks. And another T stock did very bad today, and that's Tencent. It did bad. To me, the earnings weren't so bad. I'll talk about another video and go maybe more in depth into that stock, since I had my eye on it for a while. So I was actually a little surprised by what happened today and the whole bats market of China going downhill. But yeah, these are the 3 T's affecting the stock market right now. You got trade, you got Trump, and you got Turkey. The trade wars, well, that's causing the most uncertainty in the market, and it's causing turmoil, let's be honest. Everyone's concerned about this. You got trade, you got tariffs. God, it's just like T's all over the place here. We got trade, you got tariffs. These are things that are affecting the market like today. Wow, another one. And you got Trump, obviously, good old Trump. Everyone's always seems to be worried with him, but to be fair, I mean, it's going to be an ongoing thing here. He's president for at least 4 years unless he gets impeached, but I don't think that's going to happen. They keep trying, but I don't think they're going to nail him. And you got Turkey. So this is obviously a relatively new development here, but Turkey is starting to affect the stock market, and people are starting to actually be worried, and it's causing some fear in the market. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure why, because I don't find this to be a big issue. I was searching up, and Turkey's GDP, their gross domestic product, is $890 billion. Guess what the US is? It's like 19 trillion. They're like literally 20 times the size of Turkey. So why is this affecting it so much? I don't even understand it. I mean, Canada should affect the United States more than Turkey, and we're currently, in a little scuffle with them, so who knows. But whatever. Anyway, so you got Turkey affecting it way more than it should, but buying opportunity, right? But yeah, today was a major red day, man. I'll tell you guys, there's always red days and there's green days. There's red days where it's days like today's where people are just so scared and pulling out money and left, right, and center. I don't even know why sometimes, but they are. I mean, this has to be one of the greatest earning seasons on record, in my opinion. Obviously, I haven't been alive for 100 years. I don't know if you can tell, I use moisturizer. So I might look a little younger than I appear. Maybe. I don't know. Comment down my age. Maybe I'll tell you. But this is like what's happening in the market today. Like it's crazy. I don't even understand it. It's absolutely ridiculous. But hey, it is what it is. Take it when you can and buy low, sell high, right? I mean, you try to do it, you're not really gonna do it, but buy at a decent price and sell at a better price, right? More realistic. So these are the three things, but to be fair, guys, there's things that affect the stock market every single year. Oh my God. I've been watching the stock market for like 8 years, okay? Now, I just mentioned that this earnings season was the best I've ever seen. It's definitely the best I remember in the 8 years that I've been watching the stock market. Maybe you can go way back and there's a blowout one, maybe after, say, the recession or a war or something like that, or maybe a big pullback and then earnings were really well. But in general, I think this is the greatest earnings seasons possibly on record. Don't quote me on that, but it's got to be up there. And it's just, these things are affecting the market. Every single year, there is something that affects the market, man. That something that is like a huge crisis that everyone kind of forgets about. So, like, literally everything. I remember even in 2008, before I really followed the stock market, I remember when Barack was going to get elected, everyone was like worried. I was like, what? Why? What's he going to do? Like, so what? It's like, how much can one person really do sometimes when you think about it? Okay, Trump's affecting the stock market, but how much can he really do? Can he really like screw the economy really bad? He can screw up a bit. I mean, Bush, right? But I mean, he's not going to send it into a complete downward spiral. He can send it down a bit, though, that he can do. But it's more with his another T he does, talk and text on Twitter. Wow, it's just like T-City over here, man. God. Okay. Anyways, I'm losing track here. But I'm just saying, every single year there's something. I remember Obama. I remember when Obama got reelected. Obama. And I was in the market for that one. So that one I definitely remember. I remember Ebola. Ebola was a big one, actually. That was 1 year I was heavily investing. And it was, oh man, it was like all over the news. It was like Ebola, Ebola, Ebola. What the hell? I don't even get it, man. Ebola barely killed anyone when you really think about it. Like, when you really think about it, how many people did it kill? I'm not 100% sure. But like, when you think about it, compared to, say, a goddamn mosquito, it's not even close. It's not even like 1% of what mosquitoes kill per year. It's ridiculous, but like blown out of proportion as usual. Other things like mad cow disease, like all these things are always affecting the market. There's always uncertainty here. Now there's like trade, there's tariffs, there's this, there's that, there's Trump, there's this, there's that. Now there's a problem with Turkey. Oh my God. It's like there's always something. But take it as advantage, because unless the actual economy is failing, with all these three things, think about it. With all these three, that's another T, things, it's another T, Jesus. Anyways, with all these three things, what is really going to impact the economy? Is it trade? Yeah, that one could, but realistically, it's not going to hurt the U.S. economy probably that much. It'll hurt other economies, but it may not hurt the U.S. that much. So if you're investing in U.S. stocks, is that really a bad thing? Trump. Okay, Trump's Trump, man. He's got a mouth on him, he talks. It is what it is, right? Sometimes you like it, sometimes you don't. He reminds me of another person, Elon Musk. Elon Musk goes on Twitter, says some stuff, gets in hot water. Trump's kind of the same. Turkey. I mean, Turkey. This is a new development. Their lira went way down and all this other stuff. So it's like, man, it's just chatter. I'll be honest. It's chatter. It's just chatter. Every single year there's some bullshit chatter. And this is some bullshit chatter. That's all it is. It'll pass and you'll forget about it. You know, even like crypto. Crypto always, you know, changes day to day. It's like the market, man. The market changes day to day. The dollar's down, dollar's up, crude's down, crude's up. Oh man, it's crazy. You know, it's a stock market. You follow it day to day, you rip your hair out, you go bald, look at Jim Cramer, right? But Warren Buffett's got hair because that guy's a long-term investor. He doesn't even watch the stock market day to day. Guy buys Apple and goes away, that's it. So this is it, man. Illuminati officially confirmed. You heard it here first. The 3 T's of the stock market. This is what's impacting the stock market more than anything. More than even earnings at this point. It seems like earnings barely matter. It's like, this is like what matters. Companies have blowout earnings, they still go down. Unbelievable, guys. Did you see Macy's today? Okay, maybe profit taking, maybe. I mean, the stock's was up like 88% year to date. I believe now with it going down, it's up around 77% year to date. But still, man, blowout earnings in my opinion. I was shocked Macy's did so well. I mean, I don't have a Macy's here in good old Toronto, but I've been to Macy's in the States a few times. This is a decent store. It's like the Bay over here, but seems to be doing a lot better than the Bay, so yay on them. But I thought their earnings were great, and the stock goes down. So kind of weird in general. Even Home Depot, man. Home Depot's earnings were amazing, and the stock went down. So I don't get it sometimes, man. It's just, you know, it's one of those things where sometimes you think the market makes sense, but Mr. Market sometimes makes his own rules. I don't know what he does sometimes. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to jabber on too goddamn long and waste too much of your time. But hopefully you did enjoy this video. And if you did enjoy this video, and if you could, please do smash that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it, more than you could ever imagine. And since you hit the like button, there's another button. It's a red button. You know what I'm talking about? The market was red today. So why not hit another red button and hit or smash that subscribe button? Smash that right now. Smash that subscribe. Smash. That's it. Super Smash Brothers on this. That's it, man. Super Smash Bros. You ever play a game? Friggin' sick. Anyways, just like my channel, pretty damn awesome, right? I hope so. If you agree, please do like, subscribe, maybe even share this video. Anyways, guys, until next time, see you later and have a great day.